Oh, I'm not used to this.
Excuse the background singing. It's a neighbour of ours who sings regularly. It's sort of quite theatrical. You'll probably hear it in the background.
Yeah.
So it's not anything to do with us.
And we just started recording and he started singing right on cue. Right, here we go then. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, hello and welcome back to Poshcats cabin. And I'm Trevor.
Sorry. And I'm Sue.
I can't do it when he's singing like that, can you?
That's all right. I'll make it fun.
All right.
Yeah.
Shall we do that again?
No.
Well, hello and welcome back to Poshcats cabin. I'm Trevor.
I'm Sue.
And we've got a big thank you to all our subscribers, all 3,007. We've got a neighbour who's singing. Can you hear him? We started recording and he's singing at the top of his voice. Thank you to all the subscribers and all the fellow YouTubers that have supported us along the way to get to 3,000, and all the Facebookers as well, and Twitter fans. There's loads of people out there. He's scared out it, isn't he? There's loads of people out there that interact with us, and it's not possible for us to say thank you to everyone. So we really appreciate your continued support. Now, we had a lot of meetups and a lot of videos planned and several tours, and most of it, as you know, got cancelled, and of course it's very difficult to produce good content on a travel channel when you're stuck in lockdown at home. So we did try and provide some dash cam, some van walkthroughs with the help of Simpsons. Just before lockdown they allowed us to do that. We did some throwback Thursdays as well with the old footage. And
Stop it, Smith.
and we did some vanner collaborations with top 5 pubs and things like that as well, which seemed to go down quite well. And of course, more recently, when we were released from lockdown, we started on some day trips, and they've been well received. And thank you for all your comments about the day trips. We took a little pause there, and just to give our singer a break, and he stopped when we stopped, and now he started again. So, but we're going to carry on.
I don't think you can hear it, but it's very loud here.
No, I'm not sure that you can hear it.
I think you can hear it on video.
But nevertheless, so our plans have changed. We had contact with the campsites that were planned during lockdown, and all of them were very helpful and have allowed us to rebook a time to suit us later in the season or in 2021, which is fabulous. And we spoke to the site at Darsham, Mill Hill Farm, and we moved our Easter booking from this year to next year, and they said, yeah, that's absolutely fine, and we'll hold the price for you as well. So Mill Hill Farm in Darsham, well done, thank you very much, and we're looking forward to coming and see you at next Easter, and we may even, if we get a chance, pop along before that. So that's brilliant news. The others we've yet to reschedule, but what we have got, a 9-night trip already scheduled for July, haven't we? So we've just got back from the J Dean site in Lowestoft, which was lovely, and that was our first camp after lockdown. We're going to Fields End Water in Cambridgeshire, which is a little place called Doddington, and from there we're going to New Lodge Farm, which is one of the Tranquil Group sites in Northamptonshire, and then we're coming back into Suffolk for a meet up with a few friends, including our friends the Chit Chats.
Yep.
That'll be a laugh.
Motorhome Chit Chat.
That's right, and there's a few others. I think we're on a CL with.
Watch their channel.
Yeah, we must watch their channel. We're on a CL, and we've booked the whole CL, so we've got 5 motorhomes all coming to Stackyard Nursery in Mendlesham for a weekend there. So we should have a bit of fun with that one. That will all be socially distanced, of course. But
you won't need to barbecue because
you know,
Nick and Aaron and
yeah.
Joe will be doing all the cooking.
Yeah, I shall stand back from the kitchen, I'll tell you that much. But that's pretty good anyway. I look forward to that one. As you can tell, pretty excited about that weekend. In August, we've found that a lot of the sites now are getting totally booked up, or they're really silly price, really expensive. So we had a really good look around. We found a lovely site down in Dorset for 5 nights. So in between our childminder duties in August, we're going to shoot off for 5 nights to Dorset at the back of Beyond, and that's the name of the site, isn't it? Another tranquil site. Again, that looks lovely. So that's in the middle of August, and after that we're going to be preparing for probably the longest trip that we've done in years. A 22-night trip, and that's to Devon and Cornwall. We're going to start off at Herne Lane, which is Burnham-on-Sea. They're all Caravan and Motorhome Club sites on this particular tour. We're going to go to Willingcott in Woolacombe, North Devon. Then we go over the border into Cornwall to Tintagel, to Trewether Farm on the cliff, with some beautiful views. We continue down on North Coast to St Agnes Beacon, and then we go just down the road from there to Merrowes Farm, which is slightly south, and then head back up in the eastward direction again to Stover Country Park in Devon, and then we stop off at Salisbury Hillside on the way back. And we have got 3 and 4 night stops. And we're not sure yet whether we're taking the car, are we?
I'd rather not, really.
Yeah, we're trying to decide.
We're going to so many different sites. There'll be plenty to see there, won't there?
There's plenty to see, and we love the coastal path in Cornwall. So we'll be avoiding some of the busy spots. But bear in mind, our singer is back. Bear in mind that will be September, so it won't be quite so crowded, hopefully. In October, we've got a cheeky trip back to South Wales to see our friends in South Wales at Pembrey Country Park, one of our favourite and voted our favourite from last year, wasn't it? And then in November we're starting to put together a Scotland winter tour, so that will be a late season one, really weather dependent, but I suspect we'll start off on the west coast, and if it's very stormy, we could always drop down to Dumfries and Galloways and take shelter.
I'm just a little bit apprehensive at the moment, and I've got to get my pain relief under control.
Yeah, Sue has been quite poorly.
Complications following the flu virus that I got in March.
Yeah, Sue got a virus.
I've now got something else, just as I was getting a lot better and beginning to be me again. I've now got another problem where I'm in pain all the time. So
it's been ongoing for several months now, and it's included a couple of visits and hospitalisations, so it's been quite serious for poor Sue. Looking forward to getting out and about in the van, and I think that'll be quite the tonic we need.
With Oscar and Sophie.
With Oscar and Sophie, yeah, we've got Sophie laying here. You can't quite see her on shot, I don't think, but here she is. Look, little Soph, say hello. So we're going to go ahead with a giveaway then.
Yep.
All right. Okay. So what have you got to give away then, Sue?
First prize?
First prize, yeah. Well, we call it
T-shirt.
first prize. One of our Poshcats T-shirts. Look at that. Look. Okay.
This is a large.
That's a large. But if you want an extra large or an XXL,
I've got the extra large on.
Yeah, I have. If you want them, don't worry. The winner will. We'll email you personally and tell us what size you want, whether it's for you or for someone else or whatever. So that's the Poshcats T-shirt. Yeah. What else you got, Sue?
Second, is it the mug?
Yeah. There we go.
It's your Poshcats mug.
Poshcats mug, look. Hey, everyone should have one. And what else you got?
Third is keyring.
Yeah, got keyring now, yeah. I reckon that looked like a medal.
If you can see it.
That's upside down.
There
you are.
The keyring.
Yeah.
And then, what was it next? Fridge magnet.
A fridge magnet, yeah. Look at that lot. Little fridge magnet. And some stickers.
And some stickers.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going to have 5 winners. I think it was 5, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
5 winners. And we're going to make it really easy because all the answers to these questions are in this video. So the first question, what are the names of our 2 dogs? I think we mentioned that a couple of minutes ago, didn't we? Question number 2, where are we going next Easter in 2021? And the final question, what is the monthly collaboration that we do where we revive old video footage? Just the name of the video that we do.
On a Thursday?
Yes, usually last Thursday of the month. All right, so again, mentioned that just now. They're the 3 questions. So if you email your answers to camping@poshcats.com, that's camping@poshcats.com, we'll get all the names into a hat, and one of my trilbies, and we'll draw them and bring you another video with the answers. So we need your emails to us by midnight on the 31st of July, and after that we'll do all the magic and pull them from the hat, and we'll release a video on the 4th of August so that you know who the winners are. All right, and that'll be that, and good luck. All right, so I think that was about it, wasn't it, Sue?
Yeah.
All right, and we're off on our trip this coming Friday, so going to do a short video of getting ready, and that'll be out on Friday whilst we're travelling, and we'll see you on the road next week. So till then,
bye.
Bye
Thank
for
you
now.
very much.
Bye bye.
Thanks for watching.